to CEU Campus Tour. We're here currently at Southgate Manjola exit. Please show. Right here is the garden. Show the garden. And let's go to the garden. So right here we have the statue of Librada Avenue. And then right here we have the friendship area. Oh, friendship area. Good morning po. Good morning. Good morning. So right here, ito po yung friendship area natin. Dito po kinuhold ang mga hostage. I mean yung mga participants bago sila tumaas ng Librada Avelino Auditorio. Ayan, so makikita nyo right here, ito po yung walk-in closet. So, andyan na yan, papili ka, meron jacket dyan, meron t-shirt. Good for all the seasons na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos ito naman yung dining hall natin. So, meron tayong fountain. Ayan. Ito naman si Don Emilio Tiap, industrialist, philanthropist, and visionary leader. Mahal. Mujicha sila. Iced ba
We
yan?
have matcha latte.
Ito pala, 65. Guys, okay, we will try the Hojicha oat latte. Ay, the tea mix Hojicha latte. So, dairy siya, so good luck na lang sa akin. Ay, wow. Show to the cam. Show. Okay, let's be the judge. Disappoint. Lasang tubig dahil naluan ng konting hojicha. So, kung gusto nyo manood ng mga lalaki nag-basketball, dito lang kayo pupunta. Ayan. Nice. Let's continue the If you go straight, that houses the School of Nursing, School of MedTech, and School of Optometry. And then we also have here on the Concepcion Aguila or the CAH building, we have the School of Pharmacy. Okay, that's a glimpse of the CEU campus life. So, if ever na may tanong kayo, comment down below.
Hello. Okay guys, we're on our way to Bonifacio Global Center. Okay, with our driver. Pero he's on the break. Guys, I don't know what this place is. I'm not familiar with this place. And then you go on to
Hi guys, nagtatry kami maghanap ng pasyente. Ang hirap nilang pabukay ng bibig kasi nahihiya sila. Though gets naman.
So dapat sinabi mo, Mama!
Ay,
Paano?
Paano? So Sinya, how was your experience?
I feel tired. Yeah. Overwhelmed. Hindi ko nga sure eh. Kaya lagi niya ang binibidyoan niya. Crush niya kasi ako.
Parang kang kalyo sa paa eh.
Masyado ka nang halata. Yun ang ano. Kumbaga kung kalyo ako, ikaw yung pangbawas.
Feel niya kasi wala siyang chance sa'yo, kaya tigay na kita.
What the hell?
Actually, feeling ko. Kaya
Ate, kahit siniliit ko sa paa, tataluhin mo eh.
Wow, kahit talampakan ko, ayaw sa'yo.
Oh.
Yan pa kahit yung grown ko, kaamoy mo eh.
We're hungry. Ayos. I got the pill. Ano laman? Ay. Hello?
Toothpaste.
Hello? This is my favorite, guys.
You highlight the
But sadly, wala akong gana. So, this is
It's for big appetite.
someone's order. Not my order.
Magcha-travel ako dapat.
Mukbang.
Yes.
Guys, mukbang.
Hello?
Ay,
Mukbang ko.
ang maganda pa dito. Kasi pink siya. Magmumukha akong may lipstick tsaka blush. Oo nga, tignan mo. Ito mo, oh. I was super happy to get my order, which is the s'mores croissant. It was actually super good and I just forgot the price kasi nung time na yan, lahat ng pastries nila may 20% discount. I also got their drink called Matcha Love. I think it's 189 pesos, then sub-oat na yun. I was actually being careful that time kasi ina-acid ako. And it was good. Ganun lang yung reaction ko kasi nga hindi ko in-expect yung kick ng matcha. Hindi ko rin kasi nahalo ng maayos, so it's my fault. Pero it's good, guys.
Nag-bend siya.
0 days in. Jesus, wow. Hi. Hello. Crunchy.
Ano ba yan, mama? Kasi na bang kalaban mo? Ganun pa nga ng isa. Parang lang may kalaban. Sarap. How is it, mama? Delicioso. She's Spanish.
Practice. Why would we pick you?
Because I have knowledge and very I'm always of course I have 2 years experience at Nico.
What's Nico?
Nico is about the ano ba yan? Bakit naman tumatawa?
Ano meaning ng Nico? Ano, by letter. O, N.
National?
O, N.
N?
Ano yung N?
Neonatal.
Neonatal. Ah?
Neonatal?
Neonatal.
Ano ba?
International
No! Intensive care
unit.
unit.
What did you do there? What specifically are your tasks?
Of course, I take care of the baby. I do with NBS. It's like NBS. It's a newborn screening. So it's better to do when you are the newborn babies.
Then after Nico, what happened?
And after Nico, I'm going to my.
No, I said that when you're talking, if you're done, it's in the past tense. So not going
Yeah.
to. I went.
I went out.
Bahay mo? Bahay mo? Na parang nakikinawa ka lang sa kumare mo? Pero nakachika lang siya sa kabilang bahay.
Aray ko. Sumakit yung chin ko later na, ha?
Later na. Yung interview later na. What qualities do you want? Wala pa nga eh. Makikipag-away siya. Ba't galit ka? Hello? Delete mo. Alam mo may ubo. Naiiyak na siya.
Ayoko na. Sabi ko.
What area?
Mamaya na.
Dali na. Mamaya na. Hindi, Oh my God. Ano? What areas in your life do you want to improve?
To improve. Of course.
How's the strawberry matcha?
So, it's amazing.
Why do you want to work outside of the country? Why not in the Philippines?
Because number one is Philippines.
Gata ka ni mama, oh. Uwi na kami.
Do it feel so.
How can you describe it?
It's screaming. It tastes so good.
Hello guys. This is me after masuspend.
Blur out mo to, ha?
Ay, di na kailangan. Di na kailangan.
Kala ko, ano eh, sabihin na.
Nauwi ko na pasyente ko.
Ano patient mo dapat today?
Magpeperyo dapat ako mag-jinjing.
Nag-vlog ka na.
Hi! Hindi kami masaya. Oh, paano mo reverse
Yun
walk?
ang i-blur out.
Ay.
O Bea, mag-ayos na tayo ng papaster para bukas. Yun na lang gawin natin.
Ano?
Ayoko na guys.
Magpupunta akong JFM din eh, pero din sila. Gago.
Na,
Kailan nagsabi? Like what time?
Like around mag-8.
Tuwete mo boy, yan. So, kita nyo to. Kita nyo to. Kita nyo yan. Kita nyo yan. So, ganito kasi yun. So, kaya mo bang i-explain ang thought process kung bakit ngayon lang bigla ang nagsuspend?
I think it's because of...
The thing is, wala siyang process. May thought lang. Pati mga guard pinapalayas na kami. Hello.
Hindi ko matanggap. Hindi pa totoo.
It's not true. It's not. Nananaginip lang ako.
Dumating yung pasyente ko, guys. Binayaran ko na lang yung pamasahe niya kasi hiyang-hiya na ako. Hello. Sayang yung oras.
Kuya, natawag si mama mo.
Galing pa siya sa work.
Tita!
Okay, let's answer my mom.
Ikaw naman.
Mom! Hi, tita! Suspended.
Bawal yan. Anti-Video and Cybercrime Law of 2029.